Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Over here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Receive on Samsung Galaxy S22 and Send on this Samsung smartphone. Over here you need to scroll down, select No Thanks and tap on Close this window. Now tap on all of those dots and just Send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one photo, just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon over here, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. Now, after a little couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!